Welcome back, my friends. I'm Jen Hilman, and thanks for joining me for part 2 in my smoothie series. Today we are going to be making a red smoothie, which is basically, I call it my peanut butter and jelly smoothie. So we are going to be using cherries and strawberries that are going to give it that rich red color. Those fruits are also really high in antioxidants, so it's wonderful for helping to promote anti-aging and promote healthy immune function. And our special ingredient is going to be some nut butter. Of course, you can use peanut butter, almond butter, any nut butter that's your favorite. And today I've got a really special one that I love, which is almond butter with cacao and coconut. So it's going to be a really rich and tasty smoothie. So go ahead and like this video, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Then we'll go ahead and get started and make that delicious smoothie. So as you can see, it hardly takes any time at all to make yourself a delicious and nourishing smoothie. It's one of my favorite things about smoothies is how quick and easy they are and how really nourishing and satisfying it can be. So get on out there and get your smoothie on.